Hey guys! In this short video I will show you one tip on how to make easy cleaning for any electric fan's bushing. If your fan, like desk fan or stand fans doesn't give you enough wind, or spinning very slow, then there is two possible cause of this problem. First, turn off and unplug the fan and check your fan blades. If it will spin normally it must be soft. So the bushing is okay. In that case the problem is your capacitor. Just replace the capacitor to fix it. But if it's hard or the motor is making sound, so the problem is the bushing of the rotator. It makes sound because it might be dry and rusty. And here is the tip on how to clean it. That's all for this topic for today. Please leave a comment for any questions or direct message my Facebook Messenger account for assistance. I will indicate on my description below. I hope this will help you a lot, and leaving a thumbs up and subscribing will more appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. God bless and have a nice days.